I just want to make sure everyone is aware of all of the uh, material that's available in your ebook. Tonight's homework assignment is 3.2 Introduction to Marginal Analysis. If you click on that link, I'm going to go ahead and in your textbook, on your ebook, this gives a very nice, not only do you have the book itself, let me get this working here, but in the book, a lot of what I have been producing on lectures is available in the book itself. So when you click this video link here, okay, so as you can see, this is giving you the full lecture piece by piece. Some of, let's see, linear approximation is explained here. I'm pretty sure that on these links it goes through. Let's take a look here. So when you link on this and you hit play, not only does he give an introduction to linear approximation, he's actually working out some of the examples. Okay. Nice thing is you can even get a full transcript if you so desire. But I want everyone to be aware that all of these options are in the ebook itself. I've been posting videos that I thought were relevant, and I will continue to do so, but I may not be able to do it for every single homework assignment. And so for this homework assignment, I'm posting this video so you know how to fully get everything out of your textbook as well.